Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the inside door handle on this 1996 Ford Ranger, same as any 93 to 97 Ranger. Tools you'll need are flat blade screwdriver, T20 Torx driver, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, and a 1/4 inch diameter by 1 inch long sheet metal bolt. You're actually going to kind of go right in behind and use a screwdriver, pry out lightly. And you can see this comes out. You want a T20 Torx screwdriver. Okay, we'll fast forward as we remove that screw and take that crank handle off. Okay, underneath here you can see there's 2 Phillips screws. Okay, you'll want a smaller #1 screwdriver. Okay, and fast forward again as we remove those 2 Phillips screws. Okay, now you'll want to pull your panel right off. And another Phillips screw right here. There's a screw at the bottom of your door panel. You might have to dig through your rug a little bit to get at it. Remove it. Then you take your panel, lift it up, and it comes right off. Okay, you can see your door handle is held in by a rivet. You want to take a punch, put it right in the middle of that rivet. Okay, pop the center of that rivet out. Now use a 1/4 inch drill to drill the center of that rivet out. Now just use a screwdriver to kind of pry off the rivet head and then pop it back, pop the back side of the rivet down into the door. Okay, now your handle should push back. Pull your water shield down. Okay, push your handle back and then out. Okay, turn the door handle over. There's a little rubber protector here. Pull that off. Okay, and now you can see in here. And what you want to do is use a screwdriver. Use a screwdriver, pry out your cable housing there. Okay, and it comes right out like that. There's your door handle out. New handle from 1AAuto. It's nicely constructed. If you got a broken one, it's going to fix the problem. What you'll need is I got a large coarse sheet metal bolt that fits in this hole, but tightly. Okay, so I'll take my handle. Insert the cable in there. There's a little kind of ball on the end of the cable. Rotate it in and press the housing of the cable down into the handle. I'll take this rubber protector, put it on the handle, handle in place. push it back, on, and then you probably have to push it forward some. I can take your screwdriver, work it forward just a little bit more. And I'm just going to take a sheet metal bolt. Mine happens to be a 1/2 inch head size. Start it in. There's plenty of room in behind here. So if you use, anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inch long bolt, you'll have plenty of room. Okay, tighten it up firm. Put the door panel back on. Put on up and over your door lock here first. And kind of push it into place and down. Okay, let's put this screw in first. There's a little wind-up tab right down here. Make sure that goes in. And fast forward through putting those 2 Phillips screws back in. You want to tighten those firm, but don't over tighten them. Okay. A little washer on your window crank tool. Put that in place. T20 torque screw. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.